Today, we recognize that software is far more than a tool. It's the very foundation of our economy. As we anticipate the Kenya Software Summit to be held this year in Eldoret, let us approach it not merely as a convening, but as a strategic platform to consolidate achievements and define our digital destiny. Our software ecosystem is maturing, our regulatory frameworks are evolving, and our talent is indeed world-class. What remains is the collective resolve to coordinate, invest, and scale with purpose and unity. To our private sector partners, we extend a clear invitation. Invest boldly, co-create ambitiously, and hire locally. To academia and innovators, we urge you to stay bold, solution-oriented, and relentlessly focused on impact. We are uniquely positioned to lead not only Africa's software revolution, but to emerge as a global beacon of innovation and digital sovereignty.